Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Victoria once again, and if you're new to this channel, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button, like, share and comment on this video. And if you're a returning subscriber, mwah, I love you so much and thank you so much for sticking around. So in today's video, and side note, sorry if my voice sounds weird, I actually have a flu, so yeah. Back to what I was saying. In today's video, I would be taking you on a step-by-step guide, I think, on how I achieve this look. And honestly, this is just for people who want to like just know what to do, when to do it, and how to do it, to just have something on your face, or to just, you know, look nice, or maybe try on someone, or if it's a skill that you just want to, you know, have, and you don't know where to start from, you don't know the basics, nothing. Like, this is a step by step, and I hope it's as easy and straightforward as I will make it. So, if you fall in that category or in this category, please stick around. Or even if you don't fall in this category, please stick around and see what your girl does. Yeah. So without wasting much of your time, let's head right into this video.
Every makeup, be it simple or full glam, you want to make sure that you are starting off on a washed, clean face. Yes, a washed, clean face, because why not? So now that I have my face washed and clean, I would be going in with a moisturizer. You need a moisturizer for your makeup, and I'll be using my Clear Body Lotion because it does the work for me. But I won't be using a lot because I sweat a lot, so I'll just be using a little bit, and then I apply it, and then I'll rub it all over my face. And after I've done that, I will be going in with my primer. It's called the Ushas Goodbye Pores. So I'll be applying it a generous amount on my face and then let it sit for some time. But then side note, you want to make sure that you're using the right primer for your face or for your skin tone, because some primers don't work on certain skin tone. So after that, I would be, we'll be needing the mirror as well, but then we would go in with this thing that I use to set my brows, like just brush it out. And after I've done that, I'll be going in with my eye pencil to draw my brows. So I'll just be following the shape of my brows, honestly, because my brows are already carved. So you just want to do the same. And then just follow the shape and then just draw it out. It'll be looking funny, but just trust the process. And after that, we'll be needing two concealers. I'll be using two concealers, one that is almost my shade and another that is two times my shade. I'm starting off with the one that is almost my shade. We'll just take a generous amount, small, sorry, and then we'll just use it to outline the brows that I drew before, or what I did. Outline it, you want to outline the lower part as well as the other side, and then you repeat the same thing on top of the brows as well, because we want those brows looking popped and on their own, like you see now. So once that is done, we are going to be going in with like a brush to blend out the concealer. So we are going to be blending the concealer into the eyes because we'll be using the concealer as base for our eyeshadow. So you just blend it out, blend the upper one as well, and then once it's all blended out, then you are good. Then we'll be going in with this eyeshadow palette. Honestly, I don't know what the name is, but yeah, we'll be going in with it. And then forget about my brush, we'll be using the darker shade of that eyeshadow, and then we would be blending from outside to inside. You see where I placed my hand there? I don't know how to explain, dissecting the body, but we would blend from the outside to the inside, and then you blend in a circular motion. You see when you put your brush and then your brush is sinking in, then you know you're doing the right thing. So you blend like that, use it to blend, and just blend until you have your desired, you know, eyeshadow how you want it to be. And then once that is done, you go in with I'll be going in with another color of eyeshadow, because I don't know why I chose the eyeshadow. You can see my reaction there. I honestly don't know why I chose this eyeshadow. I'll go with the orange one, and then I would blend it and blend, just dab in a particular position and then blend into the eye, the inner corner of my eyes, just to give it like a cut crease feel, but it's not cut crease. Yeah, and then you blend that, and then I go in with my hand to just make it pop, because I don't know why it doesn't, pop every time I do my eyeshadow. But I just use my hand. That's the secret, honestly. And then once that is done, I will be going in with my eyeliner. I went in with this eyeliner. I don't know why it didn't work, but I tried drawing the eyeliner. I was, honestly, I'm not sure how it worked, but I tried doing it, it didn't work. So I went in with my black eye pencil because honestly, it's much easier like that. And then just draw carefully. I don't know how to explain this for you to understand, but eyeliners are quite difficult for me. So just draw as easy as you can do it. Just follow your eyes, honestly. And then once that is done, I'll be going in with my foundation. This foundation, it is lighter than me, but trust the process. It is called the Fit Me foundation. It's a matte, I think in the shade 220. Yeah, and then just apply a generous amount. Like I said, we're going for, soft girl look. Before I look, different. So we're going in with like a little, and then we take our beauty blender and then make sure that it is damp, guys. Make sure it's damp. And then once that is done, we are going to blend the foundation all out. Blend like your life depends on it. Blend, 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 and make sure you're blending into your neck. And then while I'm blending, there's this trick, this hack I saw where you don't want it to crease around your nose too much. You just take the foundation and then just rub it gently around your nose and then continue blending. And then once you are blended out like the way I am, then you know you are doing the right thing. Then we are going in with our contour. I'll be using a darker shade of foundation because your girl doesn't have contour yet. So why won't I not improvise? So we'll use a darker shade of the contour. And then we'll be contouring like the cheekbone side. I don't know how to explain it, but your ear, you just place your hand around your ear and then that bone that is there, you contour down a little bit, not too much, but your preference. This is just guidance. So you contour and then you contour the other side as well. And then you contour your nose. Some people prefer to contour their cheekbones, but I will not be doing that today because we are going for easy soft scale look. So yeah, you contour, make your beauty blender again, and then you blend it. This time your contour, you are blending upwards into your eye side and then your forehead as well. So you blend, 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 and then blend your nose as well. And then whatever is remaining, you put it into your jaw. Like, I couldn't help myself. Do that as well. And once that is done, we would now be going in with our concealer. The same concealer we used to outline our brows, we'll be going in with that. And then we are going to be taking that one, but we'll be using two, the lighter one as well. But we'll start off with the one that is almost my shade. I almost popped out a lot, but it's okay. So we take out the one that is almost my shade, and then we would put it at the outer corner of our eyes. And put the concealer there, do the same thing the other side, put around our the corner between the nose and the mouth. We put there, we put the corner between the mouth and the jaw, we put there, and then on your forehead as well. And then after that, I'll take the lighter concealer and then I'll put it at the inner corner of my eyes because we want that part to be, brighter. Do that for the two sides. And then in the middle of our nose, the bridge of our nose, I think I'm correct. And after that, once we have all of that, we take our beauty blender again, and then you blend, blend, blend all the places that you have the concealer. So for the ones that are on our eyes, we want to just dab gently, like your life. You're not rushing anything. Just dab gently outer inside and then just that we don't want it to spread too much and then you will just see how nice it comes out. So you blend, do the same thing, and then blend also. Once you're done, blend the one on your nose, and you have to be very careful because you don't want that concealer to spread. So once you're done blending, we have our face all baked. If you are in this part, then you know that you are doing well, you are doing well. And after that, incoming, incoming, incoming. Sorry for the disaster, but yeah, we take this powder that is like my shade. Actually, you take a powder that is your shade, and then you take it and how um you know put on the places that you have added concealer. Yes, you put on the places that you have added concealer, and then once you are done doing that, you take the powder and go all over your face. Yes, you go all over your face. And once you are done with that, we want to go in with our setting powder. This one we'll be using it to bake. Yeah, we're baking the face, girl. We'll be baking the face. And then we'll take, I don't know, I don't have that certain powder, this thing foam. I've been wanting to get it, but Charlie, we'll use the one I have. So you take it and then you add around the places that you had added concealer. So you will bake those places like the under eyes and things, ridge of nose, forehead, put all those concealers at the right places. And then I don't know why I do this thing that I do, that small concealer line thing, but honestly, I just couldn't help myself. So I don't really like to do it, but I did it. Do it, and once you are done with all of that, you let it bake for some time. Then you can continue doing whatever it is you want to do in your face. So I'll be going in with that's my eyeshadow palette again. We're using it to contour the face. We need the powdery type. And then we'll take the darker shade and that lighter shade, and then we would contour the face, contour all of it, make sure it's standing out. You can see the contour. And once that is done, you want to take, you want to take this blush distance. Sorry for the mess, but you take it and then you take the pink blush and then blush your face. Apply as much as you want, apply as much as you want. So you take the blush, apply the blush, and then once you're done, we'll take in our powder and our I don't know what I'm saying. We're taking this brush and then we'll dust out the excess, setting powder on our face. And then we dust, and after that, this is how it comes out. And once we're done, we're taking that eyeshadow this thing again to contour our nose because we didn't do that before. So we'll contour it and make sure that the nose is looking snatched. And then we'll be going in with our lip combo. I know every girly does have a lip combo. So me, I just go for something simple. I'm using this brown pencil. It's not like brown, but it's like a reddish brown. So yeah, using it to outline my lips. I like the fuller lips. I'm on the fuller side, so outline the lips, and after that, we go in this my absolute lip gloss. Honestly, you can never go wrong with absolute lip gloss. So you apply it, and once you're done, we'll be going in with my mascara. Oh my god, like I've been loving this mascara these days. Like I don't know what false lashes are anymore because tell me why this mascara, they're just so good. So we go in with the mascara and then we do all of that, upper lashes, lower lashes, and then the last guy, which is our setting spray. We want to set that face. Set it like the face is about to run. And then when we have a generous amount on our face, we want to let it dry. Look at that smile. Yeah, and after that, yeah, voila.
Okay, guys, so this is the final look of the makeup that I just took you guys through, and honestly, I think I did good. Yeah, I mean, you can't tell me otherwise. And if you stayed till this part of the video, I hope you were able to learn one or two things from this video. And if you didn't, I think you should still stick around. You would find something that you would find something for you, because I would still make videos on how to do something else, as easy as it can be. If this wasn't, simple or straightforward as it should be, then please leave it in the comment section and I would do well to make another one that is quite, easier and straightforward, and, so that all the girlies and the guys who want to like just have the skill can, we can hop on this together. And mind you, I'm not a professional. I'm not a professional. I'm just, practicing, learning. I'm still in my learning phase. So I just want to take you guys along and, let you see what I create and when I create them. So yeah, that's all for today's video, and I hope you enjoyed it. See you in my next video. Mwah. Bye.